So welcome to the RestoShack Open Day, just a little small event from a little small body shop. Yeah, basically we're quite surprised at the turnout, to be fair, for today. Just sent a few texts around to a few people, and yeah, and we have this great display, and we've got the gorgeous Devon weather, so yeah, enjoy.
How we doing? Good, thank you. Yeah.
Bacon roll, buffet, awesome. Well, and the cards are good as well.
Right, so we are at the RestoShack and Historic Motorsports little cars and coffee meet thing that they're doing as a celebration for Dave opening his new shop, which is very nice, by the way. Pop down and have a look. It's beautiful. What car are you driving?
Skyline over there.
The Skyline.
Yeah.
So you're Mr. Tap.
I am, yeah.
That's had this Skyline, this well-known Skyline, forever and a day. Why bother changing perfection? You don't need to, do you?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I like that.
I wouldn't say so, but...
Why, you don't think it's perfect?
No.
Why, what's wrong with it?
It's a 10-foot finish.
Well, I don't mind. You're at RestoShack. Exactly, get it booked in, isn't it? Hello, sir. What brings you here on this fine day?
My disability.
Wow, I like that. I like that. What car are you driving?
V12 Vantage S.
V12 Vantage S. That blue thing out there, by the way, is beautiful. And he gets to park in a disabled bay, so...
I do.
So don't mug him off on Spotted Torquay or anything like that, because... Yeah. So what brings you here?
This is my car.
This is your car. And I see that it's being fully restored, is it?
Yes, it's a one previous owner car. Bought it in '85. Had to take it off the road in '91 because of rust. 10 years ago, I came to Dave as an absolute basket case. So now Dave's got it to do the mechanical build, and hopefully it's going to be as good, if not slightly better than Ford managed.
Yeah. And you're the owner of Historic Classics?
Yes, I am.
Which is a good little mix between you and RestoShack.
Yeah, Dave's our new neighbour, which is really good. It's working well because we do a lot with the escorts, and so mechanically we can help him out, put the mechanics together, and then he has them back and does his thing.
Yeah, like that white one over there where Rob spent 900 hours rubbing the body panels into it, or some I don't know. Bit more patience than I've got with the vehicle, but yeah. Nice. So are you enjoying this little meet they're having today? Is there going to be more?
Yeah, I think we should do more because this is really good. I mean, the weather's been kind to us, which helps.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think it'll be something we should do more of.
Nice. And that wraps it up for a little walk around, seeing all the boys' cars and why they come here. Next time they have a cars and coffees, pop down, boys, and grab yourself a coffee and a bacon roll. It's beautiful. Ciao.
That's really cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, you're happy with it?
Awesome. It's both sides.
Both sides.
Really take it. Yeah, that's really good. Thank you very much.